What's up, everyone? In this adventure, we're going lobstering in the Florida Keys. We're going to be going in some shallow water, and we're going to be looking for lobsters at the end of the season. Today, no boat. We're going to be doing this from shore. We're going to be doing a catch, clean, and cook. We're going to catch these lobsters. We're going to show you how to clean them up, and then we're going to cook them. Remember, watch to the end, and I'm going to give away this secret spot. That's right, I'm going to share my secret spot with you. We're going to be bringing our scuba gear, just it'll make it a little bit easier. You can also do this just by snorkeling. You don't have to have scuba gear. You can use a mask, snorkel, and fins, and then you can lobster in this area. We got Jackson. He's going to be doing the lobstering today. I'm going to be doing most of the filming. And I don't want to give out too much information on this secret spot here. Shh. I'm going to go ahead and get geared up, and we're gonna be in the water in just a few minutes here. All right, we are now underwater and we're checking out the various rocks and crevices. Jackson is using a flashlight to see in the dark holes. Today the visibility wasn't the best, but we're gonna make it work. Little hogfish swims in front of me. We saw a couple that day. Jackson found the first lobster of the day under this rock. The key is to take your time and keep the tickle stick behind and the net out of the way until the lobster is out from under the rock. See how that lobster turned to the side and shot backwards? All right, here we go. Attempt number 2. And a miss. All right, attempt number 3. There we go, finally. I think he's a little rusty since it's been a few months since he's been out here lobstering. The lobster measurer is attached to the tickle stick, and you're required to have it with you in the water. So now Jackson is going to measure the carapace. He signals that the lobster is legal. Measure the carapace by inserting the measuring device between the horns. The carapace is the hard part of the shell and must measure more than 3 inches. Alright, so we finally found a lobster. There's not much out here so far, so this guy is legal size, so we're just gonna keep on going. I saw a hogfish earlier. You see that big old stingray?
I didn't see him. I saw the crab though.
Yeah, he scared the crap out of me. All right, so guys, the legal size lobster. We measured him under the water here. We're gonna stick him in the Lobster Hotel. It took you a minute to get him. So, we're gonna go back underwater. We're gonna find some more. So right now we're in 5 feet of water with a max depth of 10 feet. So we come across some spadefish, an angelfish, and a nurse shark. We found this old lobster trap and checked it out to see if there was anything inside. Alright, Jackson's found another one. So I swim around to the back of the rock and I see a few more. Sweet, he's got it on the first attempt. All right, so now Jackson's gonna measure it. Yep. All right, this guy is legal. So he finds another one and tickles it out from the rock, but you can see he doesn't catch it because he knows it's too small. After a while, you develop an eye for the legal lobster size. All right, so we just made it back to shore and we lost the net. So this is the second year in a row where we lost something. Well, we lost the net last year as well. So we've got these clips. I use these clips to clip on everything because if you don't, you're gonna lose stuff. One year we lost a flashlight and lost the other flashlight. So we're always losing stuff. You wanna have these clips, you wanna clip on everything because if you don't, you're gonna lose it. We're gonna have to run to the store and get another net. So not a big deal, they have them all over the place. Now we've caught the lobster. Next thing we gotta do is we're gonna clean these boys and then we're gonna cook them up. We went ahead and put these boys on ice. So they are done. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean them. So this is really simple. All you're gonna do is you're gonna take one part here, you're gonna take this other part here, and you're just gonna give it a little twist. Just like that. There you go. And you're gonna pull that out. And there he is. That's all you gotta do. All right, so for the next guy here, we're gonna try doing the head meat. So that first part, we just went ahead. Gotta get me in there. The first part we just did the old twist. I'm gonna keep one of these for the cleaning part here. So we just kind of break it off about like so. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick it up the old chute, which is down here, and this is how we clean it. This is how you can get that digestive tract. There he is. He's coming out.
Yeah, just
yeah, we're just kind of pushing it out there. There it is. So you want to get rid of that goodness. Let the fish have that. This next guy, what we're going to do is we're going to try to get more of the head meat. What I'm going to do is to take my knife in here and I'm just going to cut around. So this is just another way of doing it. And just put your hand. You can see you get a little bit more of that meat that's in there. This is my silver stag knife. Pull that out. You got some other stuff, so we don't need that. Just gonna get that digestive tract out. Guy out. So that's done. So we're gonna go ahead and get down there. We're gonna kind of butterfly them here. And I'm gonna get these just like that. I'm just gonna kind of twist them open here, just like there. That way when they're on the grill. Okay. This next guy, these are fresh. Down the old middle. There we go, folks. Look at that. Got that fresh lobster tail. Alright, so now that we've got these cleaned up, we've got these butterflied, we're gonna meet y'all at the grill. We have this Cajun honey butter. We're going to apply some of that on there. As we're cooking it, that's going to fire up this nicely. These have been cooking for about 5 minutes now. They're about ready to flip. So we're going to go ahead and flip them over, get some of the other side there. Just like that. Couple more minutes, we're gonna pull those boys off. We're gonna go ahead and top them with some more of that butter, lemon, and it's gonna be fire. All right, so these boys are done. We're gonna pull them off the grill. We're gonna try something different. We're gonna give them a little dippy, like that. Oh yeah, if we had some green onions or whatever, that'd be perfect. Just like that. Got some fresh lemon. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'm gonna give you the bigger boy. Let's try this out. Scoop this meat out here. Dippy. Yum. That's good. All right, so what do you think about that sauce? I don't think this is probably the first time you've had it before.
Sauce is fire.
Yeah, go ahead and get that. There we go.
That's good.
Caught the lobster here today. We cleaned it up, put it on the grill, fresh off the grill with the Cajun honey butter, fresh that same day, never frozen. It's delicious. And what else? That's it. Thank you. Choke. So thank you for watching this. I hope you found this video informational. Is that it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, cut. That's it. Don't go off the script. We stayed at the Conch Key Fishing Lodge and Marina, located in beautiful Marathon, Florida on Conch Key. Kim and I discovered this resort back in 2018 on our first mini vacation together, and we've been going ever since. It's a small, old Florida motel with 10 fishing lodges. 5 of them are waterfront efficiencies that have a refrigerator, small kitchen, pots, pans, silverware, plates, everything you need for your stay. There's a gas grill on site right next to the saltwater pool. The convenience store has a large selection of beverages, ice, bait, all kinds of stuff that you can use. There's a boat ramp with dockage. And each waterfront efficiency has its own boat slip. So we started off next to this tall radar thing in about 5 feet of water, approximately 30 to 50 feet from shore, and we just worked our way heading north toward Long Key, and we would just go through the rocks. These rocks definitely hold lobster. You just got to look around and you'll find them. This is where I typically find a lot of lobsters in the Keys. I look for rock structure and I use my flashlight to locate them. Hopefully this helps.